Now if you have the Alcatel My Flip 2 and you've been trying to unlock the device and you have a password and you can't access to it, you forget what it is, in this video I'll show you how to bypass this pin and do factory reset for the phone, and you can use the phone once again. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Verizon Stick 2 for more videos and give me a thumbs up to encourage me, and let's find out. Now, disclaimer, before we start, if you have contacts picture, by doing factory reset for the phone, you're gonna lose all the information. I mean, we always recommend, if you can't remember, unlock the phone, because that way you can remove the pin easily from the phone. But if you have no choice, then you will lose the information. Now, as the first option, you need to shut the phone completely off by holding the power key. This is the power key, and then you're gonna get some option. The phone has to be completely off. So shut the phone off completely. The phone should turn off. Now I want you to use two keys to begin with. The first key will be the power, and the second key the volume up key. Here, as you guys can see, this is the volume up and this is the power. Together we need to press those two keys. Now you're gonna see Alcatel logo My Flip 2. When this logo appears, you need to remove from the power and keep hold on the volume up as the first step. So let's go ahead and do it. Power, volume up. The logo appears. I remove from the power. I'm still holding on the volume up. The phone will take you to the recovery mode here. Now if you just go with the indicator or the D-pad, you should be able to go up and down. Now you need to select wipe data factory reset, as you guys can see. Now to select, you have to use the power key, not the OK key here. Just go ahead, tap once, and then you're gonna get confirmation that you're gonna lose all the information. If you're sure you want to do this, press on the power key again and hit yes. Now the phone might take a few seconds and then we're gonna get the menu. Let's wait. I'm gonna stay with you. Also, we're gonna show you how you do the initial setup again for the phone. Now you're gonna get a message that says reboot system now. Now the phone is been formatted already, so tap on the power key again and wait till the phone finish the factory reset, and then we're gonna come back to you. Now after completing the factory reset, you have to choose the language. So go ahead, choose the language you want. We want to choose English. And then we have to hit next. This is the next key. After this, the phone will ask you if you want to connect to Wi-Fi. In my case, I don't. I'm just gonna tap escape, which is this key, and then I'll press OK. And then just scroll all the way down in the keypad and hit next, and choose if you are over 16, and also hit next and accept and next. OK. Next. It show you some tutorial how to use the phone, because the phone go back as the factory. I hope you guys find this video helpful to help you to bypass the pin or the password on your phone. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.